Okay, boys and girls, we're gonna do our shapes and colors, and then I will read you this Christmas story. And let's start with our shapes. Rectangle. We said rectangle has 4 sides, have 2 long sides and 2 short. You got a short side up here at the top and one at the bottom, and on both sides along. It's a rectangle. And can anyone tell me what the word rectangle begins with? What letter is that? What is it? Okay. Next is a star. A star. A star has 5 points. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. A star. What letter does the star begins with? And what is the sound? Okay. Octagon. Octagon. Let's see how many sides they got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Octagon. What letter does it begin with? Can you tell me? And do anybody's name begins with this letter? Or do they have this letter in their name? Okay. Next, triangle. Triangle. We say a triangle has how many points? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1 at the top and 2 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And what letter does triangle begins with? Or is anybody name begins with this letter? Okay. Next, square. And the square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all of them is even. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what letter does this begins with? Anybody name begins with this letter? Okay. And next is a what? Circle. A circle. A circle. And what letter does circle begins with? And how about anybody name begins with this letter? Okay. Okay. And next is a heart. And a heart has a point at the what? Bottom. And what letter is this? Anyone know? Anybody name begins with this letter? Okay. Now we're going back through the shapes, and I'm going to tell you what letter, the letters I pointed to. Okay, this is a rectangle. We say it has 4 sides. Rectangle begins with the letter R. R. Rectangle. Star has 5 points. And we say star begins with the letter S. S. Octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. And it begins with the letter O. O. Octagon. Triangle has how many? 3. 1, 2, 3 points. And it begins with the letter what? T. T. Square has 4 sides. And it begins with the letter S. S. And circle. Circle. It begins with the letter C. I believe we have somebody's name begins with the letter C. Catalina. C. And heart got 1 point of the point at the bottom, and it begins with the letter H. H. Very good. Okay, let's go by colors. White. White is the color of the milk we drink. Purple is the color of some grapes we eat. Green is the color of the grass on the streets. Orange is the color of the oranges we eat. Pink is the color little girls love. Brown is the color of a mountain bear. Red is the color of what? A bullfighter's cape. Black is a color of a tiny what? Fly. Yellow is the color of a juicy pear. And blue is the color that we see in the what? Sky. Okay, let's go fast. White, purple, green, orange, pink, brown, red, black, yellow, and blue. Very good, boys and girls. And now, what I want you to do with the colors, go through your house and pick out colors that's in your house. And tell your sister or your brother, your mother and father, how many colors have you found? And name all the colors that you see in the house. Go find the colors. Okay? And also the shapes too. Do that. Okay, so let's get started. I'll come right back and I will do our story.